Hello viewer, if you face Facebook Messenger mute feature not working, let's see the solution. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out Apps. Click on Apps. Now search Messenger app. Go to Messenger. Now scroll down and click on Messenger Storage. Now clear cache data from lower right corner. Now go back to your home screen. Follow the second step. Open your Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Messenger app. Go to Messenger app. From here, update your Messenger app. After complete update and installation process, open your Messenger app. Tap on your Messenger menu icon. Now go to Messenger setting. Scroll down and find out Report technical problem. Tap on here. Click on Report anywhere. Click on Include. Select Chat option. Now in this box, write down, "Hi Messenger support team, my Messenger mute feature not working. Please solve this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Messenger support team. So follow all of this step to fix Messenger mute feature not working.